I'm Selena Briggs, a neurotologist from Washington, D.C. I'm here at SSF today for the 12th annual Seattle Otology and Rhinology course, or SOAR, where I'll be giving a talk on geriatrics and otology. All the lectures and demos from this weekend will be posted on ssfyoutube.org in the coming weeks, so stay tuned. In the meantime, here's what's happening this week at SSF. Wednesday, Dr. Demar will break down all the tools needed for lumbar deformity correction at the STED Talk Series. Friday and Saturday, they will post the first annual Head and Neck Surgical Oncology Winter Summit at Westgate Park City Resort and Spa. And please mark your calendars for April 6th, when they will be hosting the 10th annual Lateral Approaches to the Spine course. Leading experts in the field will discuss spine surgery, management, and the implementation of the lateral approach, as well as perform live cadaveric demonstrations from the SSF BioSkills Lab. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. And thank you for your support of the Seattle Science Foundation.